I will tell you some such dark realities of YouTube with which you will definitely agree and also be able to relate. You know that on YouTube daily millions videos are uploaded, and out of them only 5% videos rank, and the remaining 95% people's videos don't rank at all. These days on YouTube, so much competition is there that you make video in any category, thousands of videos of that category are already available on YouTube. Many people say that if you make something unique and it will be demanding on social media, then so many views will come on your video that you have never even thought. But this is a dream, and you have to wake up from this dream. No such topic is left on which you can make video. Even 99% people come to YouTube only and only for money. They think that I will just create video and upload, and millions views will come and money will be. But this is not at all. If you bring views on your video, then YouTube cuts 45% from the money made from that video, meaning it keeps 45% itself. If you are getting $12,000, then from that, YouTube will keep $5,500 itself. I have not come to demotivate you in this video, but I have come to tell you about YouTube reality. This video only he will be able to watch till the end who is working hard on YouTube. If you're a creator, then I tell you one thing, that when you create a video after working very hard, then the happiness after uploading it is very awesome. If you are a struggling creator, then when you are editing video, then you think that video gets created quickly, then later will feel a bit free. The happiness after video is created literally only a struggler creator can understand. Meaning some boy is doing research related to his video and after research completes the script, then literally so much free feel happens. And along with that, confidence feeling comes from inside. And on one side, there will be some such creator among you who is watching this video, who thinks at night that I will do my script and thumbnail work in the morning and then enjoy. But as soon as morning comes, don't know what happens to them. Don't know they get stuck in which work, because of which they forget their main work itself. Brother, if your main work by doing, which you feel proud, then you do that work first. Later, you can do anything, even if enjoy the whole day, but you won't have tension. Even when my video gets uploaded, then even I feel free and relaxed. Just one thing of YouTube feels a bit bad, that is consistency. If you upload video in 1 week and then next week your video gets late by some days, then YouTube decreases the reach of that video. So the fear of consistency will never leave you, so don't panic much from this, so don't worry. Even your dad goes to some or other work, right? There is also consistency in this, right, Yar? Even I sometimes get busy, can't even take out time. Therefore, you try that prepare your next video in advance so that your consistency remains. Guys, I tell you one thing, and this basically is a mistake which most new creators do. And because of this mistake, they leave YouTube, and this mistake I have also done. Some years ago, I had a new shorts channel. Somehow I completed 1,000 subscribers. Then I started making regular video, and while doing so, I completed 5,000 subscribers. And when I started uploading long video, then despite having 5,000 subscribers, literally even 50 views were not coming. And while doing so, that channel died. Then I left that channel. So guys, don't make this mistake. Whichever things I have talked in this video, those things only an honest creator can understand. You must tell me in comments that out of the things I have said, which thing you relate to, because I read every comment. And yes, if you are watching this video till here, then I tell you one more reality that big creators also work very hard. Then only they are so famous today. So what we, like small creators, didn't work hard. I can say with 100% guarantee that as much hard work those big creators did for their video, from that 10% more, we small creators work hard. I have also done big hard work in making this video, so please subscribe and like this video, and share this video to those who don't know. Add all this dark reality of YouTube. Make them also realize that becoming YouTuber is not that easy. I know that 70% people must have skipped this video and gone, but you are listening to this video. For me, this much is enough. I want to tell you one thing. Work harder in the coming year and develop more skills along with YouTube, so that if you can't earn more on YouTube, then with help of those skills, you can earn at least a little. My advice is that focus on that which AI cannot do, like editing, trading. I myself do editing and trading along with YouTube. So you also do, and if any problem comes, then definitely comment. I will help you in teaching YouTube, editing, and trading as much help as possible from me. I will do that much for you. So definitely do comments. I read every comment. If you have become sad after watching this video, then for that, I am really sorry. So we'll meet in next video with some other topic. Till then, love you all, and bye.